Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials so you can work without interruption. Sign in, make sure autosave is on, and pick a template that matches your goal. This saves time later. Once done, create a new document, set page size and margins, and give the file a clear name in your cloud folder. Make sure sync completes before heavy edits, because that prevents conflicts and keeps version history intact while you move into the main work. You now construct the main document. Apply heading styles so navigation and automatic tables update correctly. This also enforces consistent formatting. Insert tables or charts for data, link cells or use formulas if numbers shift, and optimize images for size to keep files responsive. Once done, invite collaborators with edit or comment access, use track changes to review edits, and reply to comments inline, so decisions and reasoning stay connected to content. You wrap up by proofreading and updating the table of contents so everything points correctly. Final formatting checks include spacing, fonts, and accessibility tags. Export to PDF or the required format, then test the exported file on another device to check layout and fonts. Make sure sharing permissions match recipients' needs. If something goes wrong, open version history, restore a recent stable version, and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.